So hello friends, I'm Sidomuncul. My dad ordered tolak angin with no sugar and by the mystery box. There is no endorsement here. It cost 7,000 Indonesian rupiah, not dollars. In fact, one mystery box is one half of a dollar because one rupee, wait, $1 equals to 14-ish rupiah, Indonesian rupiah. So let's open it. And by the way, this cutter is not like the normal cutter. It can slice practically anything. Like even the there you go, the thick duct tape and plastic, but you still need to be careful because you might damage the product. And yes, this is annoying. You need to be as careful as possible. Wait, yeah, we opened it. Oh, I just sliced through the cardboard. Never mind. And yes, this is hard even with this cutter. Okay, so maybe this way because it is more sharper. Well, I guess it works. Does not work well. And don't worry, it probably did not hit anything. Yeah, I actually like this bit way better than actually pulling on it. That's too deep. Okay, yeah, I actually like it better, but I don't think that's good for. So yeah, I just need to slice that part. Now, because it is thin and easy to slice, most of the time you miss. There you go. Good thing is that it did not hit anything. And yes, the cardboard box is bent. Wow. This is quite actually a lot of products. I guess you can open it. It's plastic too. Where should we start? This. Oh, it's just hold it with duct tape. Right, this is extensive use of bubble wrap. This is, I could have known that. Okay. So this is actually just one piece of bubble wrap. They made it foiled, and there is duct tape here. You may or may not see that, but anyways, this contains a lot of products. No endorsement, no sponsor. My dad actually went ahead and bought these. Wow, sama even damage. Okay. What's this? That's an Indonesian project. Also apparently at the other edge too, at why did I have to go way over there? Yes, so it is not just another project of Sidomuncul, like a lot. This is just one box, not counting the other one. Milk, what? Okay. All of this does not cost a lot of money, practically. And yes, there is no endorsement. Oh, what's that? Ah, I found a hole. I don't think this hole is intended to be anywhere. Wait, is there actually openings here? Except for that one hole. Now what? Place it open, because why not? Or rip it to pieces is possible, but nah. And yes, this plastic is really thick because you would not want the projects to be damaged, but there are some that are bent like this, apparently. Okay. So it is done in circles and layers. Wow. How much bubble wrap is this? I see. I see why. It is a drink. No, wait, this is a drink, yeah. That's a different one. Different layer of bubble wrap. Same drink. Last one, I think. I see why they put so much bubble wrap. A glass bottle. Any other? Yes, a crystal. Look at it. Wait. Damn it. Another glass bottle. Oh no. That's it. I fully unboxed it. So, this is 7,000 rupiah apparently. This much of products. This is two, by the way, two 2 packages, so it would mean what this is $1 around at least. Just a reminder, there is no endorsement on this video. My dad actually bought these. So yeah, I guess that's it. I suppose. Thank you for watching and goodbye.